Hello students, in previous lecture I have described about electron volt, the concept of electron volt. In this chapter we have discussed about electric potential, potential difference and electron volt. Okay, today we will discuss the next topic, that is electric potential at a point due to a point charge. So as we have find out intensity of electric field in first chapter due to point charge at point, in the same manner today we will find out electric potential at a point due to a point charge. Okay student, so this is our topic. So now I am going to explain this topic. Now I am going to derive this topic. Okay, first of all we consider a point charge. Let us consider a point charge plus Q. It's situated. I have told student, first of all we consider a point charge plus Q at a point is situated in a medium of dielectric constant K. I have told that let us consider a point charge plus Q is situated at a point O in a medium of dielectric constant K. Okay, suppose there is a point P. Suppose there is a point P at a distance small r from this charge. Okay, now we have considered there is a point P at a distance small r from this point charge, at which we have to find the electric potential. At point P we have to find electric potential. Okay, for this, for the calculation of, for the determination of electric potential at point P, we have to find out the work done. We have to find out the work done in bringing a test charge from infinity. We have to find out the work done in bringing this positive charge, test charge, from infinity to this point P. Okay, for the calculation of this work done, we will consider, suppose we will consider there is another point which lie in this line. There is another point, consider point B and another point A. Okay, another point A. If we talk, we can consider this point as a point A. In the similar manner, point A, point B and point C. Okay, now we have considered these things. Okay, listen student, listen carefully. First of all we have considered a point charge plus Q is situated at a point O in a medium of dielectric constant K. Now we have supposed that there is a point A at a distance small r from point O. Now we have to determine the electric potential at point A due to this point charge plus Q. To find in electric potential at point A, we have to calculate the work done in bringing the test charge from infinity to this point A. Okay, for the calculation of work done, now suppose in this straight line, suppose there is another point B at a distance x, from plus Q charge. There is another point B from this plus Q charge. Okay, at which we can consider at which our positive test charge Q naught is placed. This point पे क्या है? At point B there is a positive test charge Q naught which is placed. So according to Coulomb's law, the force acting this test charge due to this charge means we can say that this plus Q charge will apply force on this test charge and that will be directed outward. That is, so according to Coulomb's law, we can write according to Coulomb's law, the force the force on test charge Q naught. Okay, क्या होगा? F will be equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught K Q naught और divided by x square. ठीक है, डिस्टेंस दोनों के बीच का x है. ओके, सपोज दैट देयर इज अनदर पॉइंट C towards the positive charge plus Q at a distance small dx from point B. Means that is very small distance from point B. There is another point C and this distance is dx. If we bring this test charge from point B to point A, then we have to do some work, that is dW. We can say that if dW be the work done in bringing the test charge Q naught from B to C. क्या हो जाएगा? B to C run. We can write dW is equal to F into minus dx. Why have I written minus dx? Because the direction of force is opposite to the displacement. The direction of displacement dx is this direction and force is in this direction. So if we talk about the angle between displacement and force is 180, if we use the concept of W is equal to F dot D after ds, then we will find F dx cos 180 degree, and we know that 180 degree will be equal to minus cos 180 degree. The value of cos 180 is minus 1. So in this manner also we can write F minus F into dx. But we know that if the direction of displacement is opposite to the force, then we can write it as a negative value. Okay, so we use the formula of F. Put the formula of F at the place of, we use this value at the place of F. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught K and Q naught upon x square, and this is minus dx. So minus will be in front, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught K Q naught upon x square into dx. This is the value of work done in bringing the test charge from a small distance displacement B to C. Now therefore क्या? Therefore the total work done in bringing the test charge Q naught from infinity to point A, क्या हो जाएगा? W is equal to इंटीग्रेशन फ्रॉम इन्फिनिटिव, जहां से लाते हैं स्टूडेंट, जहां से लाएंगे लोअर लिमिट वो होगा और अपर लिमिट क्या होगा? जहां तक लाएंगे. तो कहां तक ला रहे हैं? ये पॉइंट ए तक. तो पॉइंट ए तक ला रहे हैं तो पॉइंट ए का इस चार्ज से डिस्टेंस कितना है? प्लस आर डिस्टेंस है एंड ये dw. ओके, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू इरेज दिस. ओके, here listen student, yeah, now we put the value of dw there. We can get w is equal to integration infinity to r dw. We use the value of minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught k q naught upon x square dx. Only the term x is variable, so rest of the quantity will be constant. So now we take out of the outside these constant quantities 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught k q q naught. Here will be integration infinity to r और dx अपॉन एक्स स्क्वायर. x को ऊपर ले जाएंगे स्टूडेंट, क्या मिलेगा? माइनस 1 अपॉन 4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट के क्यू क्यू नॉट. दिस विल बी इक्वल टू इंटीग्रेशन infinity to r x to the power minus 2 dx. Student, we know one formula, इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ x to the power n dx. जो पावर रहता है पावर में एक ऐड करिए n x to the power n plus 1 and the same thing will be written downward as a denominator. Okay, so using this formula, here power is minus 2, so we will add 1 and the same thing will be written downward as a denominator. Then we can add minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught k q q naught. Here if we integrate, we get x to the power minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 plus 1. Limit infinity to r. Now minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught k q q naught. If we calculate with this value, we get minus 1 upon x infinity to r. You all can calculate. So this calculated value will be equal to minus 1 upon x. Now we simplify some more steps. We get. What will we get? This minus will become here and minus will be plus. So we can get 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught k q q naught 1 upon x infinity to r. Now we put this value 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught k q q naught using open this interval, this bracket 1 upon r we get minus 1 upon infinity. So 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught k q q naught 1 by r and this will be equal to 0. How? Since 1 upon infinity equal to 0, we know that. So this will be equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught k. Here will be k q q naught upon r. This is the total work done. So we will find the electric potential at point A. Therefore electric potential at point A due to point charge plus q. What we can say? V is equal to W upon Q naught. Using this value of W, here we get what? 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught k q q naught upon r divided by q naught. q naught से q naught कैंसिल हो गया, जो बचा रिमेनिंग टर्म, और मैं इसको इरेज करके यहाँ लिख दे रहा हूँ. रिमेनिंग टर्म क्या हो जाएगा स्टूडेंट? क्या बच गया? v इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन 4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट k q upon r. This is the final formula. Okay, final formula of electric potential. If we consider, if the medium is air or vacuum, then क्या हो जाएगा? Then k will be equal to 1. Therefore this formula will be equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q upon r. K will be equal to 1, so k will be disappear. Okay student, this was the derivation that electric potential at a point due to point charge. Okay student, so now we have derived and we have found this formula, that is the formula of electric potential at a point due to point charge. तो ये टॉपिक कंप्लीट होता है स्टूडेंट. अब नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मैं नेक्स्ट टॉपिक के साथ आपके सामने रिप्रेजेंट हूँ. ओके स्टूडेंट्स.